This video consists of slokas 6 to 10 of the Saga 10 of Narayaniyam. Description on variety of creation continues. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Sloka 6. Rudra Visrishta Vayadagriti Rudra Sankha Sambhuryamana Bhuvanatra Vidacheda Mama Prajasrija Tapaschara Mangala Edi Ajashtatam Kamalapur Bhavadidatma. Rudra's creation consisting of fierce looking hosts of Rudras filling up the three worlds, that is Sambhuryamana Bhuvanatraya, filling up the three worlds, Bhidachedaha, and getting frightened by them. Ma Prajaha Srija. Brahma said, do not procreate any more beings. Taba Chara, do penance. Mangalaya, for the welfare of the world. Idi Ajashtam Tam Kamalabhuvu. Thus said Brahma to Rudra, Bhava Iditatma, that is by being prompted within by you. Meaning, Rudra's creation consisted of fierce looking Rudras, Egadasa Rudras, which were filling up the three worlds. Brahma was frightened by them, and from within, being prompted by you, told Rudra not to create any more beings and asked him to do penance for the benefit of the world. Next sloka. Tasyada sargarasigasya marijiratrihi tatrangiraha kradumuni pulaha pulastyaha angada bruguscha vasishta dakshau srinaradascha bhagavan bhavadhangridasaha. Hey Bhagavan, Tasya Ada, thereafter Brahma, Sarga Rasigasya, who was intent on creation, Marijihi Atri, from him only created Marichi, Atri, Angad Ajayada, Tatra Angiragaha, that is Angiras, and from his body only were born Angiras, Kradumuni Pulaha Pulastya, Kradumuni Pulaha Pulastya, Briguhu Cha Vasishta Daksho, also Brigu, Vasishta and Dakshas, Sri Narada Cha and Sri Narada also, Bhavadangridasaha, Narada who is devoted to your lotus feet. Meaning, Brahma who was intent on creation, from his own body created the sages, Marichi, Atri, Angiras, Kratumuni, Pulaha, Pulastya, Brigu, Vasishta, the Dakshas, and also Sri Narada, who is a devotee of your lotus feet. Marichi was born from the mind of Brahma, Atri from the eyes, Angira the face, Kratu from the hand, Brigu from the skin, Vasishta from prana, Daksha the thumb, and Narada from the lap. So says the Puranas. Next sloka. Dharmadhigana visrujannatha kardamam cha Vanim vidhaya vidirangaja sangulo bhut Tadbodhidaihi sanagadaksha mukhaisthanujaihi Udbodhidascha vidarama tado vimunjan. Dharmadhigan Abhisrijan, that is having created Dharmadevas and others, other Kardamamcha and also Kardama, Vidhi Brahma, Vanim Vidaya, then after creating Vani, that is Saraswati, Angaja Sangula Abodh was afflicted by desire. Tad Bodhidaihi, then prompted by thee, and Tanujaihi Udbodhita cha, by his own sons, Sanaga Daksha Mukhaihi, that is, by Sanaga, Daksha and others, Virarama was enlightened and refrained, Tama Vimunchal, and gave up ignorance. Meaning, Brahma further created Dharmadeva, sage Kardama, and then Saraswati. He was then overcome with desire for Saraswati, his own creation. However, prompted by thee and Sanaga, Daksha and his other sons, enlightened him, and he gave up desire, be disillusioned. Next sloka. Vedan Purana Nivahanabi Sarva Vidyaha Kurvan Nijanana Ganacha Durananosau Putreshu Teshu Vinidhaya Sasarga Vriddhim Aprapnuvam Stava Padambujama Sridobodh. Chaduhu Anana Asau, that four-faced Brahma, Kurvan Nija Anana Ganath, bringing out from all his faces, Vedan Purana Nivahan Api Sarva Vidyaha, the Vedas and all Puranas, also all the other branches of learning. Putreshu Teshu Vinidhaya, and having imparted to his sons, Sarga Vriddhim Aprapnuvan, and he was unable to further the creation. Tava Padambujam Asridaha Abodh, took refuge at your lotus feet. Meaning, Brahma then brought out the Vedas and all the Puranas and all the other branches of learning from his four faces and taught them to his sons. He then found himself unable to further the process of creation, and so he took refuge at your lotus feet. Next sloka. Jananubhayamata dehamajo vibhajya Sri Pumsa bhavam abhajan manutatvadupyam tapyam cha manushakulani vivardayam stvam Govinda Maruda Puresha Irundirogan. Janan Upayam Ata, knowing the technique, then Deham Ajaha Vibhajya, Brahma dividing his body into two. Sri Pumsa Bhavam Abhajat, assumed the forms of female and male. Manu Tat Vadupyam, as Manu and his wife, that is Shatarupa. Thapyam cha, through them, Manusha Kulani Vivardhayan, then multiplying the human race. Tvam Govinda Maruda Puresha Nirundiregan. O Govinda, O Guru Ayurpa, kindly eradicate my ailments. Meaning, then prompted by thee and knowing the technique, Brahma, from the two sides of his body, created the male and the female, named Manu and his wife Shatarupa. Through them, he then multiplied the human race. Hare Govinda, Guru Ayurpa, kindly eradicate my ailments. This is the end of chapter 10 of Narayaniyam, and we will have a Stuti Sloka here. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Maruda Stunnandi Divyaistavaihi Vedaihi Sangapada Kromo Vanishadaihi Gayandiyam Samaga Dhyana Vastida Tadgadena Manasa Pashyandiyam Yogina Yasyandam Na Vidussura Suragana Devaya Tasmai Namah. O Guru Ayurpa Sharanam. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.